In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change export quality in DaVinci Resolve. If you want more control over how your final video looks when you export it, adjusting the quality setting is one of the quickest and easiest things you can do. This is especially useful if you're trying to balance visual quality with file size, or if you just want to make sure your video is exported at the best possible setting for your needs. To begin, go to the Deliver section in DaVinci Resolve. This is the area where you prepare your project for export. Once you're there and you're getting ready to export your video, take a look at the Settings panel below. In that panel, under the Video section, you'll find an option labeled Quality. Click on Quality, and this will give you several export quality choices. Depending on your version and export setup, you may see options like Best, High, Medium, Low, or Least. These presets let you quickly choose how much quality you want in the final exported file. If you want the highest visual quality available from these presets, choose Best. This is a good option when image quality matters most, such as for professional uploads, portfolio work, or final client delivery. If you want a balance between quality and a smaller file size, High or Medium can be more practical. Low and Least are better if you need a much smaller file and don't mind a noticeable reduction in quality. The main idea here is that higher quality usually means a larger file size, while lower quality can help save storage space and may export faster. So the right setting depends on where the video is going and how important maximum image detail is for that specific project. Once you've selected the quality setting you want, you can continue with your export as usual. That's really all there is to it. DaVinci Resolve makes this part simple, and knowing where to find the quality option can save you time when you need a quick adjustment before exporting. If you export often, it's a good habit to check this setting each time, especially if you switch between different types of projects. A short social media clip, for example, may not need the same export quality as a full-resolution presentation or polished final edit. And that's how to change export quality in DaVinci Resolve.